So you have loads of images on your phone and want to transfer them onto your PC. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way how to transfer all your photos that is saved on your Google Drive to your computer. So you don't have to worry about take your phone, connect it to your computer, download them or transfer them. There's an easy way how to get that, and I'm going to walk you through how to do it. So the easiest thing to do is to head over to your computer, open up your browser, and you want a simple type in takeout Google. And so you will be able to find Google Takeout or takeout.google.com. And this is a process that allows you to transfer all that you need. So as you can see, it allows you to transfer all different type of data on your from Google account. So what I recommend that you do is just deselect all right there. There are over 71 different data that you can download, and you want to deselect all and just scroll down in the list and you should find your Google images. And so let me just scroll on a bit until I locate that image. And so we will move on to the next step once we find it. Here you can see this is it. So click the checkbox right here and just check that. And once you do, you just scroll all the way down to the bottom and move on to the next step. Now, from this step, you will decide how you want to receive the data. Here you can transfer it via link, and if you click the drop down, you can easily transfer this to Drive as well. So you have add to Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. And so you can choose whichever option you want. You can also, the option we will choose right now is the one that comes to the email. And so we'll just leave this as is. Now, the frequency you can choose if you want it to be export every 2 months. No, we don't want that because this is a one-time thing. So we want to leave it at once. And here you can choose the file type. I recommend that you leave it as is. You can leave it as a zip file so that it's easy for you. Here you have the file size. You can choose how you want. So it simply means that files can be opened on almost any computer. And so you can choose a file size depending on how large your PC. If you're exporting a whole lot of images, then you can choose, for example, 4 gig or something like that or 10. Now you proceed and you click on create export. Once you do that, guys, Google is going to send you a link to your email. As you can see, the export progress, it says Google is creating a copy of data from Google Images. Process can take a long time to complete, even several days. So as you can see, you create it like this. And sometimes it take one entire day. So I recommend that if you're doing a lot of images, just give it some time, give it a few days, and you should have this. Now I'm going to explain how the process works afterwards. Now you should receive an email from Google in a couple of days once this is ready. And this is a very easy and straightforward email that you'll receive. I don't have one at the moment, but I'm going to quickly explain what this is as I've done that as I've done that multiple times. You should receive an email from Google Takeout, and it's going to say something like your Google data is ready for download. Now, I don't have an email at the moment, but I'm going to quickly show you what that looks like. You should receive an email from Google that says that your data is ready. And you should see in that email something like this with a link that says manage your Google takeout request. And so within such email, you will have the option to download and save those images. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a second email, what the next step is should look like. It's going to look something like this, and it can show in multiple parts as you can see, and you just want to go ahead and click download. Download again simply means that I've downloaded in the past, but in your case it's going to just simply say download, download, download. You just need to go ahead and download those images. It can take some time, and so you just want to be patient. You want to ensure that you're saving those files to your download folder or wherever you want on your PC. And once you save them, they normally comes within a zip file, so it's very easy to extract. And so in that case, you will just need to right click and just say extract all, and it will extract the folder that it comes in. And so you'll have all of your images on your computer. And that's really the process, guys, of how to transfer your Google images from your Google account onto your PC or laptop. Very easy and very simple.